Hello students, we are discussing here the chapter number 11 of the class 6. The name is Light, Shadow and Reflections. In the previous class, we discussed about the reflections of the light and how it can be reflect through which surface. There are the shiny surface required and the rare or regularity should be happens in the surface. Then it will be reflect the light. And we take the example of the mirror because mirror is a common example which can easily reflect the light. So here we will be discuss about in today class image of an object. So how objects image will be formed by the mirror. So as we know that I think you have seen your image uh, from a mirror. If you will be look into the mirror, then you will be see your face, you will be see your ear, you will be see your hand into them. So I think we all have seen experience of that. So that is known as the generally image of the object. So we will be try to classify them into the two groups. So one image is known as the real image and another type is known as the virtual image. So you have to remember that the difference between them, real image will always form on the screen. What are the meaning of screens? They require a screen to be formed there. For example, if we talk about the shadow required a screens because it will be formed on a screens. So shadow formation of a image, it is also a real image. And if I take the another example, pinhole camera image, so we can say image of the pinhole camera, there are also required a screen to form the image. So we can say pinhole camera screen is another example of the real image. Where screen is required, that will be known as real image. If you will be see in the cinema halls, there are a screen is present here because the image will be fall on theirs. So that is also the real image. And in the real image, if you will be compare, okay, I will be explain. Firstly I will be try to virtual image. So you have to remember virtual image where we do not require any surface, any screens. So you will be see image which cannot be obtained on the screens. There we do not need to any screens. That will be known as the virtual image. For example, a mirror. If you will be see in a mirror, there you will be seeing your image, but its image do not require any screen. Is it clear? So if you will be see in the mirror, there are only the mirror. You do not require any screen to form your image. So that will be known the virtual image. So you have to remember the image by a plane mirror. It is a common example of the virtual mirror, virtual image. It is just an illusion. Okay, it is not form. It is not real. It is just an illusion. Why? Because it is not possible to obtain a virtual image on the screen. If we are seeing any image on the screen, then we will say it's a real. But if we are seeing any image not on the screen, we cannot see on the screen. That will be known the virtual image. I think you got the meaning of it. Now you will be see what exactly that happens. Suppose if you are seeing in the mirror image and you are using your right hand, this is your right hand. So in the real in the mirror image, you will be appears you are using your left hand. There are just reverse natures. If you will be raise your left hand, so in the mirror image you will be appear you are raising your right hand. Okay, so if you will be write any words, suppose if you will be write the A for apples and you will be try to see it in the mirror image, so it will be just look the same things. Okay, but in the case of the B, you will be write the B in papers and you will be try to see in the mirror image, so it will be just forms in this, just the reverse. Okay, so you will be see here the near by the locations, यानी कि जो near से हैं हमारे image के, these are the mirror image, mirror. सो जो भी नियर्स होगा वही हमारे पास नियर ही आएगा और वो क्या होगा एकदम रिवर्स होगा. इफ यू विल बी राइट द डी and you will be see the image of the D in a mirror, so you will be appear the D will be just look like in this forms. Okay, so you have to write your names in a paper and try to find out how it will be look in the mirror image. Suppose if I'm writing my names like R A Z, so definitely it will be look in this mirror image firstly J will become here, and J will be just in the reverse sides, and A is also will be appear in the reverse side, okay, and R is also will be low. So that will be the mirror image of my names. So you have to write your names and try to find out how your names will be look in the mirror. If you are not getting, or if you will be able to write, you can check it by using a mirror. आपने लिख लिया अगर, तो आप उसको चेक कर सकते हो मिरर के अंदर यूज करके. सो यू विल बी ड्रॉ any things, and you can just try to find out the mirror image of those objects. You will be find that everything is just reverse. In this condition you will be see R is on the left sides and J is on the right side, but in the mirror image it is just reverse. R is on the right side and J is on the left side. So you can do it with your names, and that is a simple activity to understand how the image is formed, how it is reversed to the natures. So I think it's clear to you. Now we will be see some characteristics of the image that are formed by a plane mirror, and we all know that is the virtual, it is unreal, it is just illusion, it cannot be formed on the screen. So we know that is just the virtual image. And the second, the image of a plane mirror image the same distance behind the mirror of an object that are front of it. Suppose they these are the position of the mirror, there are the mirror is present, and we are standing here, and that are the distance around the 2 meters. So definitely our image will be appear just backside here, just 2 meters behind of the mirror, because it is just illusions, and it will be appears the same distance behind of the image. You will be see the plane mirror image always same size of the object. It will not be the larger, it will not be the diminish. If my height is the 1 meters, then my object my image will also be the 1 meters height. It will not be the larger, it will not be the shorter. The image of the plane mirror is the erect. So you have to remember erect, this is my head, that are the object, and that is my head. So my image is also head is theirs, there is my leg, so definitely my image there will be the legs. So the same erect means the same conditions, it is not just inverted, it is just not the reverses, same side up of the object. So now you will be see the image of the plane mirror is the laterally inverted sideway reverse with respect to the object. So it will be the just reverse by the sideway. Sideway means if this is my right hand and that are my the left hand, but in this condition that will be my right hand and that will be my left hand. So it is just reverse to the sidewise, not to the upside. That is my head, that is my mirror image head. So it is not the reverse upside, it is just reverse side by. Left will be turned into the right, right will be turned into the left, but up will be remains the up, down will be remain the down. I think you get the meaning of it. You will be use of the plane mirror, and we will not read the periscopes, and here we will be complete here. So thank you students.